Hi, little friends. Today I'm sharing my Christmas surprise tradition. It's cozy, kind, full of tiny wonders. Are you ready to discover it with me? Let's go, jingle jingle. Every December, I start with a kindness calendar. Each day, I do one small good thing. I put a happy sticker on my calendar to celebrate. Can you say, kindness, kindness? Next, I have a surprise box. It's a small box with a ribbon. Inside, I tuck a surprise note. Inside, I tuck a tiny craft. Some days, it's a joke. Some days, it's a drawing. Some days, it's a thank you message. I open it each morning. Ta-da. Can you say ta-da, ta-da? I also have a cozy corner, a soft blanket, a twinkly light, a favorite holiday book. I take a deep breath. Inhale. Exhale. Calm and bright. Want to breathe with me? Inhale. Exhale. Wonderful. On baking day, I stir, stir, stir. I make simple star cookies. I share them with neighbors and friends. Sharing makes hearts feel warm. Can you wiggle your fingers like twinkling stars? Twinkle, twinkle. Each night, I do the jingle minute. I shake soft bells for 1 minute. I say 3 thankful thoughts. Thank you for smiles. Thank you for hugs. Thank you for bedtime snuggles. Your turn. Think of one thankful thing. Great job. On Christmas Eve, I add a final note to my surprise box. It says, "You are loved." I read it out loud. Then I place a tiny ornament on the tree. Ding! You can try this tradition too. Make a kindness calendar. Create a surprise box with drawings. Create a surprise box with jokes. Build a cozy corner for reading and breathing. Bake a snack. Share a snack. And do the jingle minute each night. Thank you for discovering my Christmas surprise tradition. Merry, merry wishes, little friends. See you next time. Jingle, jingle,